Hello guys, welcome to another Blender tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a fluid simulation tutorial. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the end frame to 100. Now we're going to actually keep the default cube this time, and that's going to be our liquid. So now we're going to make sure we have the cube selected, press object, go down, quick effects, quick liquid. So now you'll see that a block of water fell down. Now we're actually going to press S to make this bigger, then press G. We're going to press G, then Z to bring it down a little bit. And instead of one big drop, I'm going to make it so it's a continual, like, flow. So I'm going to go select the cube. Now we're going to go to the physics tab, and if you want it to be a drop like this, you're going to make it geometry. But I want it to be a faucet, like flow. So I'm going to put it into inflow. Now I'm going to go here to the liquid domain. I'm going to put the resolution divisions to 64. That's 63, 64. And I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to put that to 100. I'm going to switch it from replay to type all. And you're going to make sure that you have mesh selected. Now you're going to bake it. Now that's done baking, you might want to put something under it to block the flow. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So you can press Shift A. Going to add like a UV sphere. We're going to press S to scale it up a little bit. Press G, then Z to bring it down, like that. Now you're going to go here and to the physics tab of the UV sphere, fluid type effector. Make sure the effector type's collision. And now you're going to want to bake the liquid domain one more time, and then it will actually show up. So now you can see that it's actually being blocked by the sphere. This might not be visible right now, but if you press Z to go to rendered mode, oh wait, forgot. I'm going to put it to cycles. You can see the sphere through the water. And if you want, you can make it a little bit bigger. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.